differentiate x to the 3/2 times 6x minus 4. And so the first step again is to identify our functions f and g. So here f of x will be the function x to the 3/2, and g of x will be the function 6x minus 4. And now we'll go back to the main example and carry out the differentiation. And so again, our hope is to differentiate x to the 3/2 times 6x minus 4. And so by the product rule, we'll take the first function as is, x to the 3/2, times the derivative of the second function, derivative of 6x minus 4, plus second function as is, 6x minus 4, times derivative of the first function, so derivative of x to the 3/2. And now we need to carry out the differentiation. So we have x to the 3/2 times derivative of 6x minus 4. Derivative of 6x minus 4 is 6, since derivative of 4 is 0. And then we add to that 6x minus 4 times derivative of x to the 3/2. Derivative of x to the 3/2 is 3/2 times x to the 3/2 minus 1, and 3/2 minus 1 gives us an exponent of 1/2. And we are essentially finished, but there is some simplifying that we really should do here. Our first term is a 6x to the 3/2, and I'd like to distribute the 3x to the 1/2 into the 6x minus 4. And so 6 times 3/2 gives us a 9, and then x to the first power times x to the 1/2 gives us an x to the 3/2 power. The exponents are adding. 1 plus a half is giving us the 3/2. We subtract off from that 4 times 3/2, which is 6, times x to the 1/2. And then finally, you can see that we have two like terms that involve x to the 3/2 power, and we add those up and get 15x to the 3/2 minus 6x to the 1/2. And that would be our final result here. And so let's look at a third example.